Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got myself into this situation.
A couple months ago, we moved in to our very first home.
Oh yeah, my house shoes.
We chose Pensacola, Florida to call home. The winters are mild, the beaches are gorgeous, there's access to an airport close by, and the cost of living is low. Oh yeah, I should mention that some of our best friends live right down the road.
You can literally scooter to our house. This is so amazing. Yeah, not long.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! Hi.
I could have sworn that we spent the last 2 months just putting together furniture. But now that I'm looking back, we did so much more than that.
What did you just tell me?
What? That is my dream.
Mm-hmm.
The patio hangs at night with the warm orange light and the ferns above you. Amazing.
I just realized maybe we haven't shown them.
What?
Well, first of all these new plants that we potted. But also the view from here now
Oh yeah.
doesn't have a carport.
Yay!
And here's our favorite FedEx man.
But he's not wearing his purple shoes.
Yeah,
Where are
I
the purple
know.
shoes at?
I ordered me some orchids.
We planted so many beautiful things, and not just planted them, but learned what their needs are. We went back and printed off photos from some of our favorite moments in our lives. And more than just decorating, we were making this space feel like us.
Picking out my putting spot. He said, what do you want with all the plants? Those are the best words I've ever heard. Oh my gosh, which one do you think that is? Okay, we have a banana tree coming, 2 avocado trees.
Is it all set?
Yeah, you got it. Sorry,
Okay.
No, I was just gonna ask you which one feels like it's the silverware drawer.
Ooh, this is a big discussion.
As we've been making this house a home, there's something we haven't been able to get out of our heads.
Paige, you want to tell him?
You haven't guessed it yet. We got a puppy! And our first guest will be bringing him. So excited.
So happy.
We're in the scene right now. Hour and a half out. Halfway to the airport. Make a good time. Say hi, Torben. Say. Torben decided he likes my water bottle. He's having fun, I think. What do you think, puppy? What do you think? Pretty good?
Hello, little guy. Welcome to our life.
Who's over there?
Come on, little Thunder Bear. Come on, go. Come on. Oh, yes, such a good boy. What a good boy. Come here.
I'm gone. That was enough. I'll be over here. Let's go, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Good boy. That's a good puppy.
He said no more lows. I don't care if it's pet friendly.
Hi, Chris.
It's just gonna follow you.
I know, Torben. It's craziness in here.
And guess who's already ready for bed? You just waiting for us. King of the bed.
Morning cuddles.
Say hi, buddy. Come on. Come on, Torben. Yes. That's beauty. Oh, what a cutie.
1, 2, test 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Today's the office setup.
Testing 1, 2. Testing.
Alyssa, introduce who you got helping you today.
This is my dad. He came.
With wires.
He came with knowledge about this L8 system, right? Because that's what he uses. He's helping me set it up so we can have my video editing come out of these monitors, but then we can also have the podcast set up. We can also create music on here, plug my guitar and my violin into there, and put that directly into the computer.
You got 8 channels output to the computer, and you can put those in the computer and send them back to channel 8 and record 7 more channels. So you have 15 channels.
Or I could do that again.
Or you could do it again, and 8 plus
Keep
7 is
combining
15,
them.
plus 7 is 20, plus 6 is 23. And it minuses each time, so it'd be about 60 channels.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder what Alyssa got me for Christmas.
You're not supposed to see it! Damn it! There you were closer. Your first sound! Torben, what do you think about that? So cute. Wake up, Torben!
You want me to film or you want me to help? All right. Good thing I saved these Discraft goggles from when we made the Fierce. They're perfect for house projects too.
Okay, so we need more of the plastic, we need
1x4s.
and the metal that's going to go around the bottom to keep all the critters out.
How long have we been out here? 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
But we've been putting it off because it seemed like a big
Right,
thing.
but as soon as you just go, wow, it's done.
And that's
Okay.
what this channel's all about, right? You'll never be ready. Just start. Just do it. Just move your little feet.
Grab your ladder.
And your clippers. All right, it's a new day and we got new supplies and we are back at it. These two out here working hard already.
You're messing around here.
What are you doing there?
We're making a greenhouse.
Yeah. We already told them that.
We're
But
making
why?
We're making the hole bigger so that the 1x4s will hold it all together. Then we use staples to keep the visqueen on there, the plastic on there. So right now we're just gonna make this hole bigger. Nice little shed you got there.
We're doing good, huh? This is really actually hard work, especially since this is all in place already. I don't want to rip the visqueen, which I'm not even sure is real. real word, but Jim said it, so
About 100 times.
we're going with it. Visqueen. I don't know how to spell it. He's told me to write it down, and I'm like, I have no idea how to spell it, say it, anything. I'm loving this. This is fun. Found out about myself through this so far that I'm very task oriented, and just like removing a small little rotten, corroded outlet is really making me feel accomplished.
All right, what do you think? You can be honest, it's okay.
You need to break any more bad news?
Also, do we have your consent to be on YouTube?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we do?
All right.
That's good. Warmer in here. It should be tight.
We're gonna do the doors on both of those sides, so we're trying to figure that out. Also,
Good luck, ladies. The garden's all yours now.
Yay, thank you for your help. All right, you guys, thank you for being here for episode 2. Thank you, Dad, for bringing us Torben and for helping us with the greenhouse and my office. What do you guys think? Should we put this little metal part on the bottom? That's maybe our next step. Let us know in the comments what you think and what you think our next project should be.
and say bye to Jim.
Bye, everybody.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you. Love you too.
And next time you visit, we'll have some fresh vegetables.
There you go.
We sure will.
All right.
Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe if you're liking our channel, if you want to see how we're doing next week, and you want to see some more drilling, puppies, and you want to know how we're pooping. I hope you're pooping good.
That's not gonna be our tagline.
I keep finding him in here, looking at himself in the mirror. Hey, Torben. Yeah. Who is that? Who is that? Who's that over there?
Torben!
Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
Say, hey mama, this is fun! Is this your first round ever playing disc golf? What do you think? You get to roam around in the nature with mama.